Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to break down why Grok AI sometimes blocks your video generation requests, and how you can fix it quickly and easily. Step 1. Rewrite your description. Keep your prompt simple and neutral. Avoid strong, dramatic, or emotional wording. Instead of saying a person dancing in a club, say a person dancing on a stage with cinematic lighting. Focus on describing the environment, lighting, style, and overall mood in a clear way. Step 2. Make it artistic. Add creative descriptors like cinematic, animated, stylized, or dramatic lighting. Framing your request as art or film, inspired content often helps guide the system in the right direction. Step 3. Generate an image first. Sometimes video requests get blocked while image requests go through. Create the image version of your scene first, then use that image to generate the video. Step 4. Use fictional characters. Avoid real people's names. Instead, create original characters with unique names and simple descriptions. Step 5. Test your prompt. If it doesn't work, remove one word and try again. Repeat this process until it works. This helps you identify which specific word may be triggering the block. It's important to understand that there's no way to disable Grok's safety system. It's built into the platform and updates regularly. The key is to think like a filmmaker. Describe the scene, the lighting, the camera movement, and the atmosphere. That approach will consistently give you clean, usable results. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you want me to cover next. I'll see you in the next video.